to do? Said you're leaving Mr. Sin, where will I go? And who paid me? It's over, since over this. You need to know.
Tick, 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 tock, you know the time is almost up. After all of these years, it wouldn't need that much. Over hundreds of bodies racking up them G's. Now the money is gone, I'll be out on the streets. No extensions, no revision, no faults in this thing. All these millions don't mean nothing when it's no security. The game ain't the same, now it's getting better. You thought this was the end, just to change your weather. That's why you never ever put your eggs in the same book. A lesson learned, please believe it. No, it's time to say fuck it. Yo. The game ain't the same, now it's getting better. You thought this was the end, just to change your weather.
It's over, since over that stuff. It's over, since